Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive accessories to explore what we believe is the best stake pocket spare tire mount available on the market. Introducing the Extreme Max 5000 1.1387 stake pocket spare tire carrier with D-ring. This heavy-duty spare tire carrier is designed to lock into a standard 3-deep 2x4 stake pocket on cargo trailers and flatbeds, offering unparalleled convenience and security for your spare tire. What sets this tire carrier apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First up, the press and wheel studs and multiple tire mounting options. No matter your spare tire's bolt pattern, this carrier has got you covered. Its versatile design ensures a snug fit for most common spare tire configurations. But it's not just about compatibility. The Extreme Max spare tire carrier is built for durability and functionality. Constructed with sturdy materials and powder-coated for protection against the elements, this carrier is ready to withstand whatever the road throws its way. And with a locking bar that snugly secures the carrier, you can say goodbye to annoying rattling noises on your journey. Now, let's talk about safety. The integrated D-ring provides a quick tie-down point to anchor your cargo securely. However, it's essential to note that this D-ring is not designed for overhead lifting. Always prioritize safety when using this carrier. Installing the Extreme Max spare tire carrier is a breeze. Simply insert it into your stake pocket, lock it in place, and you're good to go. No need for complicated tools or lengthy setup processes. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional hauler, having a reliable spare tire mount is essential for peace of mind on the road. And with the Extreme Max 5000 1.1387 stake pocket spare tire carrier, you can trust that your spare tire is always within reach when you need it most. That wraps up our review of the Extreme Max 5000 1.1387 stake pocket spare tire carrier with D-ring. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and drive safe out there.